Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by generating a GitHub Personal Access token. This lets services read your repo and generate dynamic stats. Once done, pick which metrics you want: commit counts, language breakdown, streaks, or contribution calendars, because each requires different endpoints or badges. Make sure to choose either a trusted badge provider or set up a GitHub action that outputs SVGs, since storing static images in the repo is brittle. This first step establishes credentials and the exact data you will embed into your README. Now you add the badges into README. MD using Markdown image links or direct SVG embeds for better rendering control. You should use shield-style syntax to ensure consistent visuals and include descriptive alt text so readers and screen readers understand the metric. Once you insert the code, preview it locally or in GitHub's editor. Then push to a feature branch and open a pull request so changes don't break the main README. This helps catch URL, token, or rendering issues before merging. Finally, automate updates by configuring a GitHub action or scheduled task to refresh metrics at a reasonable interval, since manual badges get stale. Make sure you store tokens in repository secrets and reference them in workflows. Never hard code secrets in README or commits. When things go wrong, first verify token scopes and expiration, then inspect response headers for cores or CDN caching, and validate SVG markup for syntax errors. Once fixed, merge your change and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.